You can use Word to transcribe video and audio content into transcripts you can use in your course to make your content more accessible. Here's how that works. Open a Word document. You might want to add a title like the name of your transcript. Once you do that, come up to the Home menu and go to Dictate. On the drop-down menu, choose Transcribe. This will prompt you to look for an audio file. It says audio, but it will also do MP4 video. Find an audio file on your computer that you want to transcribe. Open that file. Word will upload the media file to the document and start the transcription. So now it's finished, and as you can see, it's transcribed my audio file, and it automatically detects one speaker. If there are two people speaking in the audio file, it will do two. You can name them here if you want. So if you were interviewing someone, you can put your name and then the person you were interviewing. You want to add this to the document. So come down here and you can see that if you click that, you can add just a text. You can add the text with speakers, with timestamps, and with speakers and timestamps. So it's your option. I'm just going to add the text. And so that adds the text file along with the audio file embedded into my document. Now I don't want the audio file, so I'm just going to highlight that. I'm going to highlight the audio file, and I'm going to delete it so there isn't a link to it. So once I take out the audio file, I can then format the text if I want to. And once I'm done, I can save the file on my desktop as a Word transcript of my audio file. You can do this for video and audio files. It's a really easy, quick way to make media in your course more accessible using Word. We hope you follow our channel for more videos like this.